36 new COVID-19 cases reported in Karnataka in the last 24 hours. The total number of cases now stands at 1,092. 496 people have been discharged, 559 active cases and 36 people dead so far in the state. Fourteen new cases reported from Bengaluru. All cases are from Shivajinagar cluster and all of them have been identified as secondary contacts of patient number 653. The total number of cases now stands at 216 in Bengaluru. The total discharge cases at 115, active cases 93 and 7 people have been declared as dead. State to take final decision on lockdown 4.0 and to announce new guidelines. Relaxations likely in green and orange zones. Rules not to be eased in containment zones. Lockdown 3.0 to end today. New rules to come into effect from 18th of May. Relaxations in green and orange zones. Public transport likely to resume. BMTC, metros, autos and cabs likely to be given permission to ply on roads but maintaining strict social distancing norms. Malls, multiplexes, theatres, hotels, bars and pubs unlikely to open. State government to take decision after consulting with centre. Lockdown 4.0, centre plans tougher curbs for 30 zones as India overtakes China in COVID-19 cases. 30 municipal areas in 12 states have been identified where maximum rules will be imposed. Biggest single day spike in COVID-19 cases in Maharashtra. 1,606 cases reported in the past 24 hours. Maharashtra crosses 30,000 mark and continues to be the worst affected state in the country. 85,940 positive cases of COVID-19 reported in India. 53,035 people are undergoing treatment at designated hospitals and 30,153 people have been discharged. 2,752 people have lost their lives due to the deadly virus in the country. German Football League Bundesliga becomes the first major football league in the world to resume amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. All football leagues around the world were suspended due to the outbreak of the deadly pandemic.